Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to recover your forgotten Steam password. First, open your web browser and go to the Steam website. Next, click the login button in the top right corner, then click on Help, I can't sign in, and select I forgot my Steam account name or password. Enter the email address associated with your Steam account and complete the CAPTCHA verification. Click search and then choose to have a verification code emailed to you. Open your email inbox, find the message from Steam, and click Resume Recovery. Select your Steam account and click Reset My Password. Enter a new password, confirm it, and click Change Password to finalize. And that is it. You have just recovered your Steam password and regained access to your account. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next video.